Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how we can simply go ahead and report police on Waze. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay, now we will simply start our video. For that matter, what you have to do is simply gonna go ahead, access your particular Waze app on your mobile phone first, and here in the section, once you have opened it up, you're gonna find this little icon on beside right. If you tap on this orange icon, you're gonna find this option called police on top. Once you have tapped on it, you're gonna find this visible, hidden, other side, etc. You're gonna tap on this visible and then tap on this send, and then you will be able to send a particular report like that. Right, you're gonna tap on that police again, and 9 seconds go by, right? So that's how you can simply go ahead, send a report. And other would be simply for you tap on this way to choose a particular location and tap on this go now afterwards, and still you're gonna find this location of yours. Go ahead, tap on it and tap on this police again, and tap on this other side or whatever you want to choose. Tap on this particular one and send, and that's how your report will be sent, just like that. That is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I will be seeing you guys in our next video.